Hello, good afternoon, students. So, in today's class, we are going to cover one small topic in organization of skeletal muscle, that is neuromuscular junction. So, now from the name it indicates, so it is a junction between a neuron and muscle. We have already seen the component of skeletal muscle fiber, that is muscle we have a connective tissue, then we have a blood supply, then we have a nerves that are supplying to that connective muscle fiber. So we have seen the component of muscle fibers like actin, filament, then we have a myosin, then a Z line, ZD, then we have seen the sarcomere, H zone, A, I band. We have already covered that in our previous class. So we'll see now the next part in organization, that is neuromuscular junction. So we'll start with the component of neuromuscular junction, and then we'll see how these impulses are being from somatic motor neuron, how these impulses are being carried from brain to the muscle fiber, and how our muscle contract. So neuromuscular junction, it is a synapse that is formed between somatic motor neuron and skeletal muscle fiber. Next is a synapse. It is a region where communications occur between two neurons or between a neuron and a target cell. Now you all must have already studied about the synapse, but you all must have just studied about the synapse, that is it's a communication between two neuron. दोनमध्ये न्यूरॉन्समध्ये जे काय कम्युनिकेशन होतं तेवढ्यापर्यंत तुम्ही अजूनपर्यंत झालं असेल तुमचं 12वी. But in today's lecture we'll see the communication between a neuron and target cell. So now the target cell in today's lecture is skeletal muscle fiber or muscle fiber, or you can say it as a muscle cell or myocytes. So a small gap called synaptic cleft separate the two cells. Now we have one cell, that is somatic motor neuron, and the second is muscle fiber. So the gap that is formed between them is a synaptic cleft where diffusion occurs. The first cell, that is somatic motor neuron, the neuron that brings impulses from the brain. सो जे काय सिग्नल वगैरे असतात जे लागतात आपल्याला कॉन्ट्रॅक्शनसाठी, मसल कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन व्हायला, ते कोण घेऊन येतं? सोमॅटिक मोटर न्यूरॉन. इट कम्युनिकेट्स विथ द सेकंड, that is muscle fiber. So it is a communication, neuromuscular, it is a communication between somatic motor neuron and muscle fiber. So these communications happens, communicate कसे करतात? By releasing a chemical messenger which is called neurotransmitter. Now in today's class the neurotransmitter is acetylcholine. Now if a muscle contraction, for a muscle to contract, brain has to send some signal. जो सिग्नल जे काय असतं ते सोमॅटिक मोटर न्यूरॉन घेऊन येते, then it will be released, and then it will be, and then it will release some neurotransmitter from the axon terminal. It will release some neurotransmitter acetylcholine. So that will bind to the motor end plate, that is sarcolemma of the muscle fiber, and that's how muscle will contract. So we'll see now the diagram. Okay, so we'll see the component, remaining component, and then I'll explain you all the diagram. So it consists of somatic motor neuron, that is it arises from the CNS and innervates the myofibril. So जे काय इम्पल्स असतात ते सोमॅटिक न्यूरॉन घेऊन येते फ्रॉम CNS अँड देन इट कनेक्ट और इट सप्लाइज दॅट इम्पल्स innervates to muscle fiber, that is myofibrils. Second is synapse. So we have already covered what is synapse is. A region, it is a small region where communications occur. So it is a small region where communication occur. Next is synaptic end bulb. Now what you can see here is a synaptic end bulb. So it's a cluster of axon terminal of somatic neuron that innervate sarcolemma of myofibril. Now you all have already seen the structure, or you know the structure of a neuron, how neurons look like. It has a cell body, then we have a axon, and then at the end we have a axon terminal. So this is one small branch of that axon terminal. Next is synaptic vesicle. It is a membrane enclosed sac present in cytosol of synaptic end bulb. So now this is synaptic end bulb, and what you can see here, this small round structure are called synaptic vesicles. Now we have already covered about what is synaptic vesicles. So these are all synaptic vesicle. In that we have that neurotransmitter acetylcholine. We also have a mitochondria and other substances in the synaptic end bulb. Next is motor end plate. So this is a motor end plate. What you can see, the sarcolemma of the muscle fiber, the plasma membrane of muscle fiber is the motor end plate. So it is the region of sarcolemma opposite to synaptic end bulb. So now this is synaptic end bulb, and opposite to that is motor end plate. So within the motor end plate there are numerous acetylcholine receptor. So what you can see here in green what you can see on this motor end plate are receptors. Now the receptors in this case are nicotinic receptor. So now it is not required for you all to just remember this nicotine name. You will be studying in your higher classes. So now for neuromuscular junction, you'll just remember it is acetylcholine receptor, to which acetylcholine binds, and the receptors are present in the junctional fold. So now this is the motor end plate. This is motor end plate, to which the green color what you all can see are receptor. Now these receptors are in associations with the ion channel. So there will be one small place for ligand to bind. So now ligand in this case is a acetylcholine. We know that ligand bind to a receptor to carry out the next action. So ligand in this case is a acetylcholine. So it will bind to its receptor which are present on motor end plate. Now you can see that there are various grooves, or you can see there are curves over here on the motor end plate. What you can see over here. So now that will increase surface area. So that the surface area जास्त झाली म्हणजे more acetylcholine receptor will be present. So now we'll study the various steps in neuromuscular junction. We have seen the various component, that is somatic motor neuron. That somatic motor neuron मध्ये काय असतं? We have mitochondria, then we have a synaptic vesicle. Synaptic vesicle मध्ये काय असतं? We have a neurotransmitter. न्यूरोट्रान्समीटरचं नाव काय आहे? एसिटाइल कोलिन. So this region is a synaptic and bulb. Now next step is how the impulses communicates within this muscle fiber. Okay, so next is, first we'll see the steps. Nerve action potential allocates a muscle action potential in following ways. That is, first step is release of acetylcholine. Second is activation of acetylcholine receptor. Third, production of muscle action potential. And the last step is termination of acetylcholine activity. So I'll explain that with the help of the same diagram. Now this is a somatic motor neuron. Somatic motor neuron. ही जी न्यूरॉन आहे, इट विल कॅरी अ सिग्नल, ब्रेनकडून सिग्नल घेऊन येणार, विच इज कॉल्ड हॅज अ नर्व ॲक्शन पोटेन्शियल. द सिग्नल व्हॅन इट रिचीज इन दिस रिजन, एकदा काय सिग्नल पोचलं, इट विल ओपन voltage gated channel, voltage gated calcium channel. What you can see here in purple, they will open. So now they are called calcium. They are called calcium voltage channel. Once they open, the calcium will move inside the synaptic and bulb. एकदा का हे चॅनल ओपन झाले, कॅल्शियम आत येणार, बिकॉज द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ कॅल्शियम इज हायर इन द extracellular fluid. This is easy here, that is extracellular fluid. So जे काय ओपन झाले की कॅल्शियम विल कम इन. Once calcium enters the synaptic and bulb, the next step is exocytosis. Now we have already covered what is endocytosis and what is exocytosis. So एकदा काय calcium आत येले, this synaptic vesicle, what you all can see, round color structure with a pink color material in that, they will fuse with the membrane of neuron. It will fuse with this membrane because it has to undergo a process called exocytosis. Exocytosis is a process where things are taken out of the cell. So for a cell to taken out, for things to taken out of the cell, it has to bind to a membrane. So once they bind the synaptic vesicle, एकदा काय ते bind झाले, they will burst. They will burst and they will release something called as a acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter. एकदा काय न्यूरोट्रान्समीटर रिलीज झाला फ्रॉम सिनेप्टिक एंड बल्ब, नाव इट इज रिलीज इन टू दिस एरिया रिजन विच इज कॉल्ड सायनेप्स, त्यामध्ये तो रिलीज झाला आहे. Now next step is it will bind to its receptor, because ligand has to bind to its receptor for a action. That is action in this case is contraction, muscle contraction. So the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, it will bind to its receptors which are present on sarcolemma, that is membrane of muscle fiber, that is called motor end plate. So what you all can see in green color, they are voltage ion channel which are in close association with the receptor. So you can see that acetylcholine has bind to this acetylcholine receptor. The red color what you all can see, it has bind to that green color receptor. एकदा का हो acetylcholine bind झाला की sodium channel will open. Ion channels, this ion channel what you all can see which are in close association with the acetylcholine will open. These channels will open. Once this channel open, sodium will come in the muscle fiber. चॅनल ओपन झाले की जो सोडियम आहे बाहेर इन द एक्स्ट्रा सेल्युलर फ्लुइडमध्ये जो काय सोडियम आहे तो आत येणार इन द मसल फायबर. सो नाव एकदा काय सोडियम आत आला, मसल कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन विल स्टार्ट. And the last step in neuromuscular junction is termination of acetylcholine activity. That is, the acetylcholine bind झाला त्या रिचांच्या रिसेप्टरवर बाइंड झाला की काय सोडियम चॅनल्स ओपन झाले, सोडियम आत आला. Now acetylcholine will be degraded. This acetylcholine which are there, त्यांचं काम झालं आहे आता. So they will be destroyed by an enzyme called as acetylcholine esterase. Acetylcholine esterase. So this acetylcholine will be degraded by this enzyme into two forms, that is acetylcholine ACH. So acetylcholine is abbreviated as ACH plus choline. सो ॲसिटायकोलिन ब्रेकडाऊन होणार. ब्रेकडाऊन कोण करतो? एन्झाईम ॲसिटायलकोलिन एस्टरेज. ब्रेकडाऊन इंटू वॉट? टू प्रोडक्ट, दॅट इज एसिटाइल and choline. This choline, one of the breakdown product, is again taken up by this motor neuron for synthesis of, that is biosynthesis of acetylcholine. So these are the steps that I have explained you all, that is release of acetylcholine, activation of acetylcholine receptors, then we have a production of muscle action potential, and the last step was termination of acetylcholine activity. एकदा का त्याचं काम झालं, it will be get destroyed by its enzyme called acetylcholine esterase. So we'll just revise what I had explained you all with the help of diagram. So first step was what? Release of acetylcholine. Somatic motor neuron nerve impulse घेऊन आले आहे, nerve action potential. It will get some impulse, the electrical impulses घेऊन आले आहे from the brain. So that will arise at synaptic end bulb. एकदा का आला nerve impulse घेऊन, electric impulse घेऊन, voltage gated calcium channel जे काय आहे on the membrane of synaptic end bulb, this channel will open. So open झाले की काय होतं, कॅल्शियम जो बाहेर आहे एक्स्ट्रा सेल्युलर फ्लुइडमध्ये तो आत येतो. कुठे आत? सिनॅप्टिक एंड बल्बमध्ये. सो आत आला की काय होतं, सिनॅप्टिक वेसिकल जे काय आहे राउंड कलर स्ट्रक्चर्स, they will fuse with the presynaptic neuronal membrane. Now what is presynaptic neuronal membrane? It is the membrane, the synaptic end bulb, so the entire area before postsynapse, before that synapse junction is a presynaptic neuronal membrane. So it will fuse with that presynaptic neuronal membrane, that is the membrane of synaptic end bulb. एकदा काय ते वेसिकल्स फ्यूज झाले, नेक्स्ट स्टेप वॉज एक्झोसायटोसिस. म्हणजे काय, जे काय आहे वेसिकल्समध्ये that will get destroyed or it will burst, open होना, that vesicle will open after fusing with what? Membrane, presynaptic neuronal membrane. एकदा काय burst झाले, acetylcholine will be released in the synapse, that is synaptic cleft मध्ये release होणार, that is the gap between the two cells. Synaptic cleft, it is the gap between synaptic cleft, gap between two cells. Then acetylcholine will diffuse from synaptic end bulbs. They are now released into synaptic cleft. So that acetylcholine, that molecule, the small structures, they will diffuse across the synaptic cleft, and in next step they will bind to, next step is what? Activation of acetylcholine receptor. So this molecule acetylcholine जे काय synaptic cleft मध्ये आहेत, they will bind with the acetylcholine receptor. The two molecules of acetylcholine bind to acetylcholine receptor. एकदा काय acetylcholine molecule bind झाला त्यांच्या रिसेप्टरला, ion channel which are associated, just remember this word, ion channel which are associated to acetylcholine receptor. The green color structure what you all see, they are ion channel, and on that there is a small groove for a acetylcholine to bind. So acetylcholine receptors are close associated with ion channel. एकदा काय आयन चॅनल ॲक्टिवेट झाला, ओपन झाला, सोडियम विल कम इन, दॅट इज इनफ्लक्स. म्हणजे काय, बाहेरून आत येणार. कुठे आत? इन द मसल फायबर. And then muscle action potential will start. Earlier it was nerve action potential. In first two step it was nerve action potential. Now muscle action potential will start. So influx of sodium makes inside of muscle fiber more positive, that will trigger muscle action potential that propagates along sarcolemma into the system of T-tubule. We have already covered what are T-tubule, that are transverse tubule which are around the or surrounded by the muscle fiber, that causes sarcoplasmic reticulum to release calcium into sarcoplasm. So sarcoplasmic reticulum will release calcium now in the cytoplasm of muscle fiber. The sarcoplasm, that is sarcoplasm. So cytoplasm of muscle is called sarcoplasm. So त्यामध्ये ते release होणार, and then the final product is muscle contraction. And the last step is termination of acetylcholine activity. So एकदा काय acetylcholineचं काम झालं ना, acetylcholine is free. So the effect of acetylcholine binding lasts briefly, थोड्या वेळासाठी. एकदा काय तो बाइंड झाला, sodium will enter into muscle fiber, muscle contraction will start. Because acetylcholine is rapidly broken down by enzyme acetylcholine esterase. Acetylcholine esterase. So this acetylcholine is broken down by enzyme called acetylcholine into acetate and choline. These are the two products of acetylcholine. So the product which cannot activate acetylcholine receptor. So एकदा का acetylcholine breakdown झाला, the two products which are from acetate and choline, ते दोन्ही bind झाले acetate and choline separately, they can't activate acetylcholine receptor. So choline is then taken up by neuron which releases the acetylcholine. So that choline part, दोन पार्ट झाले आहे ना, acetate आणि choline. So the choline part आहे तो it will be again taken up by the neuron which has released acetylcholine. So now acetylcholine कुणी रिलीज केला आहे? सोमॅटिक मोटर न्यूरॉन. So somatic motor neuron choline part घेणार and then it will be used for biosynthesis of acetylcholine, and that's how again acetylcholine will be formed. Again it will be packed in that synaptic vesicle, and then that's how the next step will be. It is ready for next cycle of neuromuscular junction, that is contraction, muscle contraction. Now how this muscle will contract, how this actin filament, actin and myosin filament of myofibril will work, that will be covered in our next class. That is, the next topic is sliding filament mechanism, which is also a very important topic as far as exams are concerned. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you.